for the 0828 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Airport Central. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway and Stepford Airport Central. This train is formed of 6 coaches. The train now approaching platform 9 terminates here. Platform 10 for the 0833 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Water Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road and Leighton City. This train is formed of 5 coaches. The train now standing at platform 9 is the 0835 Stepford Connect service to Stepford UFC. Calling at Stepford East, High Street, Whitefield Lido and Stepford UFC. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Your attention, please.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Leighton City. We will be calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Water Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road and Leighton City. The next station is Stepford East. We will shortly be arriving at Stepford East. Change here for services to Berrily. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Water Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road and Leighton City. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
We will shortly be arriving at St Helens Bridge. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
calling at Angel Pass, Bowdin, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Wharton Newton.